What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you're new. But today's episode we're gonna be doing some pressure washing with the pressure washer that we did an unboxing video on. You guys might have watched that, may have not, but you should go check it out if you haven't. I got my little helper with today. She's gonna be spraying the soap on the car. But alright, I'll probably get you guys strapped on the head. I'm gonna mix up the soap here, get the hose hooked up to the pressure washer, and we're gonna do some pressure washing, right? But alright, catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, we got you guys all strapped on the head. Alright, Minnie, you wanna bring that water over here? Squirt some in there. Yeah, Minnie, squirt the water in there, or pour the water in. Ooh, it's splashing all over. I'm gonna dump some of this in there. Hold on, pull it back a little bit.
More?
This should probably be enough. Maybe give her a little extra though, because the car is dirty. Okay, so yeah, pour more water in there.
Next stop?
I actually want more soap. Nope, we're gonna fill it all the way up to it. Fill her on up. That should be good.
I put the
Get
top
the,
on.
yeah, turn that on, or twist that on, and get the hose hooked up.
Wait.
Can't get here, yeah, make sure it's on straight. Get that wet. Hopefully the pressure washer wants to start easy this time. The last time it started hard, but that was when it was brand new, so.
Can I turn it on?
You get this twisted on? Did you pump it up?
No. Don't know you had to.
Yeah, that's how you get the pressure in.
Can I turn this on?
Yeah, make sure that's turned on. So now we got this pumped up, she's ready for Minnie. Mix it up, on. Turn that on. Make sure the choke is on. The gas is on. You wanna try and pull it? We're gonna let her try and pull it. Oh, yeah, not happening. Okay, here,
Too heavy.
I'll do it. Alright, we're gonna give her a few pulls here. Ooh, right away. Alright, Minnie, grab that. Can you lift that? Okay, go around and spray the car, but start on the bottom when you spray it. Go like this.
Okay.
Oh, this thing's kind of, hold on, or yeah, set the, there you go, like spray like this, all over the rims, the tires. Yeah, but start on the bottom. So walk along here, go like this. Start at the bottom and work your way up with the soap. And then once we rinse it off, we start at the top and work our way down. So I'll do this, and you can work on that. Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, hold on. I'll do this, and then we're running out of pressure, so we gotta pump it up. You'll notice that, Minnie. Okay, here, Minnie. You can start on the bottom over here, remember? You're gonna have to hold that. All right, let's start washing her off. Alright everybody, we are done with the car. We're just gonna pull the golf cart up to where we can reach it with the short little pressure washer hose and spray that off. But yeah, if you get a chance to go to a hardware store, invest in a bucket and a brush and it'll be good. The sprayer just doesn't work. It's all we had though, so I just made do with it. But alright. Update for you guys. Got the car all cleaned up. Mama's wiping out the inside now. And we're gonna do the golf cart. So Minnie, yeah, you can pull the golf cart up here now, Minnie. Is it on? Okay, maybe she'll pull it up. Oh, yeah, here she comes. Okay, pull it up over here. So we can get this beast all cleaned up. Yep, by that dead grass there. Our yard is just dead now. But, alright, that's good stuff. But here's a little before. Look at it. She's super dusty. You can get off. You're fine. But super dusty. Whew. And all it does is sit around in the garage. But alright, I'm gonna probably strap you guys on Minnie's head and I'm gonna spray it off and she's gonna come behind with the soap and spray it on and then I'll spray it off again. Alright, we're gonna start now. You can go get the soap, Minnie. And just like that, we are done cleaning the golf cart. Hopefully Minnie got you guys some good footage. But she wants to jump on the trampoline and there's all these little white balls on there, so we weren't gonna make this video any longer, but we're gonna clean this off quick for her so she can actually jump on it. Hopefully you guys can see that on the camera. But alright, we'll strap you on the head and start cleaning it off. Alright everybody, we got the trampoline all cleaned up, looking nice. The golf cart and the car, so Minnie did a good job. But alright, we hope you guys liked that episode. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the page. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace!